Hey y'all, it's me, your local meteorologist from Columbia, South Carolina, reporting the weather. It's cold. It's really cold. But listen y'all, this don't make no sense. The weather reports that the East Coast is going to get snow. So, Charleston, Myrtle Beach, Hilton Head, y'all gonna get snow. So, why in Hades is people in Columbia, South Carolina buying up all the bread and milk, water, eggs? It don't make no sense. Charleston's going to get snow. So Columbia, let's buy all the milk so my baby can't have cereal. Are y'all crazy? Y'all acting a fool. Y'all ain't got no sense. You're in Columbia, not Charleston. Come on, fools. That's 2 hours away. The only way you're going to see snow is if you travel there. Y'all make no sense. Come on now, y'all. My baby needs some cereal in the morning. Save me some milk. Gosh darn it. And again, this is me, your local meteorologist, getting hostile from Columbia, South Carolina.